two of our officers who are trained in instructing self-defense, they taught the Student Occupational Therapy Association group a 2-hour lesson on self-defense.
So we start from how to throw a punch, how to effectively punch somebody, where to strike somebody if you ever need to.
Striking position, eye gouge.
And we just go over kind of a variety of self-defense moves that if they ever need them, they kind of have a little background knowledge.
Just having a few ideas of like things I can keep in like my toolkit of like stuff I could do in the future is super helpful. The instructors did a great job of showing us different moves and different techniques, so I feel like a lot more prepared.
Safety is our #1 priority here at OSU Police, and if we can empower women, students to protect themselves, then that's just going to help us do our job and keep everyone safe.